Missing knowledge happens when your AI agent encounters a question it can't answer with confidence. MagicBlocks creates a centralized list of knowledge gaps you can review and fix, all in one place. Most chatbots fail because they're built once and never updated. MagicBlocks gives you a feedback loop that turns every unanswered question into a training opportunity. Let me show you how this works. Go to your knowledge menu in the left sidebar of your MagicBlocks dashboard. You'll see 3 tabs at the top: Collections, Sales, Playbooks, Missing Knowledge. Click on Missing Knowledge. This is your centralized command center for every question your agent couldn't answer. The number in parentheses tells you exactly how many knowledge gaps exist right now. That's real questions from real prospects that your agent flagged as, "I don't have information about that." Each item in the list shows the exact question that was asked, when it was detected, sorted by most recent first, where it happened, source URL. There's a search bar at the top. Type rental, and you'll see every rental-related question your agent couldn't answer. Type price, and you'll see all price-related questions. This makes prioritization incredibly easy. You can sort by detected time to see the most recent gaps first, or search for specific topics you know need attention. Click Refresh to pull in the latest missing knowledge from conversations happening right now. This updates in real time, so as your agent has conversations today, any new gaps appear automatically. When you click on any item, it expands to show you the full interface for fixing that gap. Let me walk you through exactly how to fill it. Click on any missing knowledge item to expand it. You'll see 3 key sections. Question field. This shows the exact question the prospect asked. In this case, rental options from a qualified expert. Answer field. This is a rich text editor where you write your response. You have full formatting options, everything you need to create a comprehensive, professional answer. Source URL. This shows which knowledge this answer will be added to. Once you've written your answer, you can click Save To add to your specific knowledge collection. Your agent can now handle that question perfectly in future conversations. If a question isn't relevant, maybe it was spam or completely off topic or a duplicate, click the Ignore button at the bottom. This removes it from your missing knowledge list without adding it to your agent's brain. And here's a pro tip. After adding new knowledge, go to Try My Agent and ask that question yourself. Verify the response sounds natural and includes all the details you just added. This confirms everything is working correctly before the next real prospect asks. Missing Knowledge Detector turns your AI agent into a learning system. Every unanswered question becomes data. Every gap becomes an opportunity. Every week, your agent gets better. And that's how you build an AI agent that actually sells. Not by guessing what prospects might ask, but by learning from every conversation and systematically filling gaps as they appear. Build your first AI sales agent for free at magicblocks.ai.